Burnet baseball team was preparing to make its debut in the 2011 Class 3A playoffs. Now, even though the Bulldogs lost the first game 6-3, highlighted by a 2-run homer by Kerry Lynn, the Bulldogs were determined to come back in Game 2 and make a series of it. With their backs against the wall, the Bulldogs were looking to even the series and unfortunately were unable to do so, falling in the second game 5-3. Now, in this particular game, the Bulldogs relied on their ace, Emil Litterer, who gave up a 3-run homer after hitting 2 players by pitch, and then, of course, the big homer by Justin Boeing to give the Yoakum Bulldogs a 3-0 lead in the first inning. Burnet simply never recovered. Now, again, the Bulldogs end their season after winning 20 games in 2011, but were unable to get the magic that they had last year in 2010 when they were one series away from reaching the state tournament. The Mustangs ended the school year with a big, huge event, the first at Camp Champions, to honor all of the athletes from the 2010-2011 school year. At the event, Athletic Director Cord Warner presented the Female Athlete of the Year to sophomore Kiera Etheridge. Here's what Kiera said about the honor.
I thought maybe they'd get a senior since it's their last year here or something, but I was really shocked and happy whenever I got the award.
That's it for sports. I'm Jennifer Fierro. Connie, back to you.